So let's read the question first. It says the diagram shows a solid pyramid ABCDE with a horizontal base. The ABCDE is the pyramid, right? With AO as the height. Okay, and diagram not accurately drawn. The base BCDE of the pyramid is a square of side 10 centimeter. So what that means is this particular value is 10 all the way, right? This is 10, that is 10, so is that. All four sides are 10. What else do we know about a square? Each angle at the vertex is a 90 degrees, right? So yeah, okay. Can we first find okay, let's read further, right? The vertex A of the pyramid, so this is called the vertex, the top of it, is vertically above the center O, so of the base, so that AB is equal to AC is equal to AD equals to AE. The total surface area of the pyramid is 360 centimeters square. So total surface area, see the word total is in bold, that means all the areas of how many triangles are over here. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles and a square. So 4 triangles plus square area is equal to the total surface area, which is 360 centimeters square. Okay, what would be the area of the square? The area of the square is simply side square, so that's square area is 100, right? 10 square is 100. Subtract that, we get the 4 triangle area, which comes out to how much? Comes out to 260 centimeters square, right? 360 minus 100, so we got 260. So that means one triangle, if 4 triangles have an area of 260, then one triangle has an area of 260 divided by 4, which is 65 centimeters square. Okay. So after doing this, then let's read further ahead. Work out the size of the angle between AC and the base BCDE. So AC is this line. What we know is that AB is equal to AC is equal to AD is equal to AE. Okay. Right. Now, how does that help us? We'll just come to that. First, we know that this is 10, right? BE, BE is 10. Bravo Echo is 10, right? And we have Bravo Charlie also is 10. So if we were to connect this and find the the diagonal, okay, what does that become? That becomes 10 square plus 10 square. Why is it 10 square plus 10 square? Because we are applying Pythagoras theorem. Why is that? Because every side, every angle EBC is the 90-degree angle triangle, right? So applying Pythagoras theorem, then this is opposite, this is adjacent, and this is the hypotenuse. So 10 square plus 10 square is 100 plus 100, which is 200. So the diagonal EC is equal to square root 200, right? And OC is nothing but square root 200 over 2, okay, by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, okay. Let's keep reading further ahead. Um, so one idea is that we can find out, we can draw a perpendicular from here all the way till here, or if we just connect this line, let's say take the midpoint over here, okay, and since we have the area of this triangle and this triangle, right, um, so we can say that we have this side as 10, right? um, we have two equal sides, AB equals to AC, okay. If we were to draw a perpendicular like this, right, then it becomes it's perpendicular, right? um, that's all we know right now, okay. Next, what do we know? That this is this distance from here till all the way till there. If you draw from here, this would be 5 and 5 each. Like this will be 5, right? Okay, right. So we have OC, which we found out, which was square root 200 over 2. We have this distance. Let's call this point M. Okay, uh, the midpoint of BC, we can say that, right? So BM is equal to MC or CM, right? Uh, you can also find out. You have been given, so 5 and 5, so this comes out to 5, this comes out to 5. Okay, right. So now what can we do? We have one side which is OM, right? We can find that, right? We know the area of this triangle is ABC triangle is 65 centimeters square. So half into base, which is 10, into height. Let me take the height as AM. This is equal to 100 and this is equal to 65 centimeters square, right? So if I just take this over here and take this over here, AM becomes equal to 130 centimeters square. 130 divided by 10 becomes equal to 13. So AM is 13, right? So AM is 13, and if we take this as 5, so then we can find out AC, which is nothing but square root of 13 square plus 5 square, that is AC, right? And whatever angle we get, whatever side length we get, okay, we already know that OC is square root 200 by 2, right? So if we do cos inverse of in this triangle, cos inverse of OC over AC, because in this triangle AOC, OC is the adjacent and AC is the hypotenuse. So OC over AC, right, will give me this angle, which is angle ACO, and that is the angle I'm really looking for, because when it said work out the size of angle AC and BCD, they are talking about angle ACO, right? Let me draw that with another color actually, so that it's easier to spot that. This one, right? So first let's work out the value of AC. So the value of AC on by calculation comes out to around 13.9. So AC, if we solve this, it comes to 13.9. Okay, and we have this distance square OC, which is square root 200 by 2, which also comes out to almost equal to 7.07. Okay, so OC is 7.07 and AC is 13.9. So if you do cos inverse of 7.07 by 13.9, you get an angle which is equal to 59.42 429, or you can round it off to 59.43 degrees, round about that. So the answer is, in 3SF you can write it as 59.4 degrees for this angle AC. Yes, just try it out. Tell me if you don't understand. Yeah, thank you.